Drones are everywhere. People use them for fun and for work, but drones can also be dangerous. Small drones are hard to see and hard to stop. That's why they are a growing threat to military forces. In recent years, there have been many reports of drones flying near warships. These incidents happen all over the world. The drones could be operated by hobbyists, they could belong to criminals, or they could be tools of enemy states. Navies around the world are worried about this new threat. They are taking steps to counter it. New technology can help, so can new strategies. In one recent incident, a drone flew near a US Navy destroyer. The destroyer was sailing in the Persian Gulf. Sailors saw the drone hovering nearby. They tried to contact the drone operator, but the drone did not respond. The drone eventually flew away, but the incident showed how vulnerable warships can be to drones. Even a small drone could carry cameras. It could carry weapons. This makes them a serious threat to naval vessels. Drone incursions are a serious threat for several reasons. First, drones are hard to detect. They are small and quiet, making them almost invisible to the naked eye. They can fly low to the ground or water, evading traditional radar systems. This makes them difficult to spot on radar, especially in cluttered environments. Second, drones are hard to track. They can change direction quickly and fly erratically, making them unpredictable. This makes them difficult to follow with the naked eye, even for trained personnel. And it makes them hard to target with weapons, complicating defense strategies. Third, drones are relatively cheap and widely available. This means that almost anyone can buy one, from hobbyists to malicious actors. Criminals, terrorists, and enemy states could use drones to spy on naval bases, gathering sensitive information. They could even use them to attack ships, posing a significant security risk. Section 4, Fighting Back, the military's response. Militaries around the world are working hard to counter the drone threat. One way they are doing this is by developing new technologies. Another way is by changing their strategies and tactics. Finally, they're working on new rules for how to deal with drones. These efforts are important. Drones are a serious threat to naval vessels, but by taking action, the military can mitigate this threat and protect its ships and sailors. Section 5. New technology to stop drones. There are many different technologies that can be used to counter drones. These include a variety of advanced systems and methods. New radar systems are being developed that are specifically designed to detect small drones, even those that are difficult to spot with traditional radar. Electronic warfare systems can be used to jam the signals that control drones, effectively disrupting their operations. This can cause them to crash or return to their operator, rendering them harmless. Directed energy weapons, such as lasers, can be used to shoot down drones with precision and speed. Nets and other interceptors. Physical interceptors like nets can be used to capture drones or knock them out of the sky, ensuring they cannot complete their mission. These technologies are still under development, with continuous improvements being made. But they have the potential to be very effective in countering the drone threat, providing a robust defense against this modern challenge. Section 6. New rules and strategies. In addition to new technology, the military is also developing new strategies and tactics for dealing with drones. This includes improved training. Sailors are being trained to identify and track drones. This training is crucial, as it enables them to quickly recognize potential threats and respond effectively. They're also being trained on how to use the new technologies that are being developed to counter them. This includes hands-on experience with the latest anti-drone systems, new rules of engagement. The military is developing new rules of engagement for when it is appropriate to use force against a drone. These rules are designed to ensure that responses are measured and appropriate. International cooperation. The military is working with other countries to share information about drone threats and to develop common tactics for countering them. This collaboration is vital for a unified global response. These new strategies and tactics will be essential in countering the drone threat. They provide a comprehensive approach to dealing with the evolving challenges posed by drones. Drones are a serious threat to naval vessels. Their ability to gather intelligence and potentially carry out attacks makes them a significant concern, but the military is taking steps to counter this threat. Through rigorous training and advanced technology, they are preparing to defend against drone incursions. By developing new technologies and strategies, the military can mitigate the risk posed by drones and protect its ships and sailors. This ongoing effort is crucial for maintaining naval security in an increasingly drone-dominated landscape.